Assalamu alaikum, pre-KG2. I'm your teacher Kainat Akram. How are you, my dear students? Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. My dear students, today our topic is double sound A. My dear students, what is digraph? Do you know what is digraph? Now I'll tell you about digraph. When two vowels are placed together, they make one sound. The letter A and E make one sound A. A. My dear students, let me teach you and easy to remember you the digraph sounds when two vowels are walking. First one does talking. When two vowels are walking, first one does talking. Okay, my dear students, now I'll tell you about the formation of A sound. Oh, here is a boy. He has pain in his ear. Pain, pain. Oh, start from the point, go round, then go up, comes down, make a flick, then go up. Don't pick your pencil. Comes down, make a flick, make it dot. This is A sound. This is A sound. Okay, pre-KG2, look at the board. This is A sound. This is A sound. Okay, I have some vocabulary words to tell you. Train, train, rain, 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 go away. Okay, the next word is paint. Paint. Chain. Okay, my dear students, Alhamdulillah, today we learned A sound. Allah Hafiz, my dear students.